Job or internship this summer, watch this video because in the next 30 seconds, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to expect and how to maximize weeks 2 and 3. Make sure to save this video because most people prioritize the wrong things. Actually, weeks 2 and 3 are some of the most important weeks because that's when the real work starts. This is because at this point, you're gonna be split into the department or group you're gonna work with for the rest of the time. Start off in week 2, you're most likely gonna go through a lot of the same things you did in week 1. The way that you're gonna be doing a lot of introductions and meeting your actual team. And there's the second part, which is actually starting to work on real projects. In weeks 2 and 3, you're gonna be assigned 2 kinds of projects. First kind of project you'll be assigned is a long-term project. These are projects that'll take place over multiple weeks that'll likely have either a capstone presentation at the end, or if you're in your full-time job, just a long-term priority. And there's a second kind, which is short-term projects. Think of these as weekly recurring tasks, mostly housekeeping and organizational work. Also likely have some sporadic work that comes in depending on what industry you're in. Especially in week 2, you're gonna have a lot of training on the actual job you'll be doing, meaning the actual job function. For example, if you were in sales, they do mock calls and show you best practices. And they're also gonna show you how to use their specific systems. You should honestly have 2 main goals during weeks 2 and 3. Goal number 1 is to get to know your team immediately. I'm talking about making a real connection. Goal number 2 is establish that you can create a good work product immediately. Goal 1 is so important because by creating a connection with your team right away, you're gonna be able to actually network with other departments within the company. You're also gonna have the ability to get assigned more important work earlier on. Goal number 2 is important for that same exact reason. Showing early on that you can produce a great work product, you're gonna get assigned more high-level projects. Because you're gonna get assigned so many high-level projects that matter, people are gonna remember you as somebody who does good work, which will get you that return offer. Key takeaway from this video is that you should set the tone early. Establish yourself as someone who's dependable while also building relationships within your department. That foundation will hold the entire internship and will get you that return offer. Follow me for more real career advice, and weeks 4 through 6 are coming soon.